In this tutorial, we will learn how to extract the days, months, and year using Datedif function in Excel. There is a employee details, and they have given the hire date. In this hire date, from after joining this company, so how many days it's got over, and how many months it's got over, and how many years it got over, we need to find, and again on which date he has joined in this organization. So now I have a data over here. So now let us see how to extract the days first. Then I will show you how to extract the months and years and how to find the year day name. So on which date he has joined, the day name we will find out. Okay. So using Datedif functions, we can extract the days and months here also. Now I will show you how to use the Datedif function. Equal to Datedif function, open parenthesis, then select the old date. Now what you need to do, now we need to, as on date we need to check, right? So the today date is 21st and January 2023. So to get the date, we have a function called today date function. So let me use that today date and open parenthesis, close parenthesis, put comma. Then what do you want days, right? First, in the double, just give the double quotation. The double quotation makes the mention the D. D for its days. So just hit and again close the parenthesis and hit enter. We'll be getting the days. The similar way we will see how to get the months. The same formula I'm copying here and pasting to the here. Let me paste it to here also. Why I will tell you. So now we found the days. So now we want the months. So what we need to do? Just we need to change only here inside of the we need to put m. M transfer the months. So we'll be getting the months. And the similar way here we want to get the years. Just I'm putting the y over here. So we can see the years also over. Now these are little bit tricky ones. So we need to extract the day name only. For that we need to use the text function text. Then select the value. That value is means date. And what I need here, I need only day name. For that, let me press 4 time D. Just select and close the bracket. We will be getting the date. And let me select and drag down the everything. So these are all we have found it. So now I have used only date function and text function. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it.